if you had disabled video preview autoplay on your Google app and you wish to enable this feature, then in this video I'm going to show you how you can enable this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. As you can see, this is a video and currently it is not auto playing. If you wish to enable them to autoplay as you scroll, then just open your Google app and head over to this profile icon of your email and scroll down to settings. Under settings, look for this option called other settings, and if you open it, go to the last option here, which is autoplay video previews. Currently, if I open, it is set to never. Now you can choose whether you want to autoplay video previews on Wi-Fi only or on both Wi-Fi and mobile data. So for my case, I want this to happen on Wi-Fi only. I'll choose this. And now if I go back to the home page, you can see now the videos will autoplay. So that's how you can enable video autoplay previews on Google app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.